Still stuck in that exhausting 9 to 5 with no future in sight? Are you secretly jealous of those people making easy money on YouTube?
Hello, welcome to AI Factory. These days, smart people are turning to YouTube to build side hustles, make money from traffic, and grow their personal brand. Want to know how to get started? Come with me. I'll break it down for you, step by step. First, to get started with YouTube, you'll need a Google account. Once that's set up, just head over to YouTube, create your own channel, personalize your profile, and you'll be ready to upload your first video. It's that simple. Your creator journey starts here. It's a journey built on strategy, consistency, and real audience connection. As your subscribers and viewers continue to grow, your channel is steadily moving toward the first stage of monetization. Stage 1. Unlock basic monetization features. These features include super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and channel memberships, giving fans new ways to support creators directly. YouTube has introduced basic earning features for newer creators, allowing fans to directly support your work. To qualify, you must meet the following: at least 500 subscribers, at least 3 video uploads in the past 90 days, plus one of these two, 3,000 hours of public watch time on long-form videos in the past 12 months, 3 million shorts views in the past 90 days. At this stage, the key is to build a loyal viewer base and encourage engagement. Once you meet these requirements, you'll receive an email from YouTube inviting you to apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start the monetization process. You can start your application by clicking Start Your Application or by following the instructions provided in the email from YouTube. Let's get started with your YouTube Partner Program application. Just follow these 3 steps. Click Apply Now to begin. Review and accept the base terms and conditions of the program. Set up or link your existing AdSense account to enable monetization. Simply head to your channel, click on Earn, and from the Earn on YouTube page, you'll be able to follow the next steps one by one to begin monetizing your content. Step 1. Review and accept the base terms. Begin by clicking on the Earn section of your channel. Under Step 1, simply review the base terms, click Accept, and this step will be marked as complete. Step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Click Start on Step 2 to begin linking your YouTube channel to AdSense. Answer a few setup questions, then you'll be redirected to the official AdSense sign-up page. Select your country or territory of residence. Make sure it reflects your real location. Click Set Up Account. Read through the terms, and check the box to confirm, I have read and accept the agreement. On the next page, fill in your account details. Account type. Usually select individual unless you're registering on behalf of a business. Name, address, and phone number. Be accurate. Some are optional, but more info ensures smoother processing. Once submitted, your YouTube Studio will show Step 2 as in progress, and you'll receive a notification email from YouTube confirming the update. Once Step 2 is complete, Step 3 will move into the review phase. If your channel is approved, you'll see a congratulations message appear directly on your YouTube channel dashboard, and a confirmation email will also be sent to notify you of the approval. Your YouTube channel dashboard will also update to reflect your partner program application status. At this point, your Earn on YouTube page will show a new update, highlighting your next steps. However, you may not yet be eligible to receive payments. You'll need to complete Stage 2 of the YouTube monetization features process. Stage 2. Join the YouTube Partner Program YPP. This is where true ad revenue begins. often referred to as passive income, from YouTube. To apply, you need to meet at least one of the following: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of public watch time in the past 12 months, or 10 million public shorts views in the past 90 days. Once you've hit one of these milestones, your Earn on YouTube page will update with the next steps. Head to the overview menu and click Get Started. This will take you to the watch page ads setup. From there, simply enable watch page ads to activate your monetization features. 1. Review watch page terms. Carefully go over the watch page terms. Then, check the box that says, I accept the watch page terms. Click Accept, and then Next to continue. 2. Review your ad defaults. This page lets you set your default ad preferences. Check the box labeled Place ads during videos. You can adjust ad placements later for each individual video, depending on their length. Click Next to proceed. 3. Monetize your existing videos. Choose which videos to monetize. You'll now choose which of your existing videos you'd like to monetize. Make sure your content aligns with YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines. You can turn on monetization video by video, or if all your content meets the requirements, select Monetize all of my existing videos. Once you've made your selections, you can head over to your analytics page to check your monetization progress. If you haven't met the payment threshold yet, it will be indicated there. In the YouTube content section under the Videos tab, you'll notice a new column labeled Monetization. Even if you previously selected Monetize all of my existing videos, many entries may still appear as off. At this point, you can manually enable monetization for each video individually or selectively turn it on for only the videos you want to monetize. Once you've made your changes, your channel overview page will reflect the updates. You can follow a similar process to set up Shorts feed ads, memberships, super chats, and other monetization features. Just follow the specific steps for each one. Now, let's talk about getting paid when you're not yet eligible for payment. To check your progress, go to your Analytics or Payment section. If you haven't reached the required payment threshold, it will be clearly indicated there. You can click on the threshold information for more details. This page outlines all the requirements for receiving payments and breaks down the entire process into 5 clear steps. Take your time to go through each one. It's important to understand them all before moving forward. Revenue thresholds differ by region. The minimum payout amount varies slightly depending on your country and currency. Once you reach the required amount, Google AdSense will send you a notification message or email. Congrats! You've officially reached the $10 payment verification threshold on YouTube. Now you're one step closer to unlocking your AdSense payments. Keep going. Big step forward. Start the verification process by submitting your identity information. Then check the agreement box to confirm your consent and move forward. Once your identity verification is complete, your Google AdSense account page will update to reflect the status. You'll also receive a confirmation email from Google AdSense letting you know that the verification process has been successfully completed. Alright, time to talk about the tax info threshold. If you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, you've reached the tax information threshold, which means you're required to submit your tax details, regardless of where you're located. Before you begin, take a moment to learn more about the process. There are 2 key things you should pay close attention to. It may take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and in some cases, you might be asked to re-verify your identity. To begin filling out your tax information form, sign in to your AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Then follow these steps. Go to the Payments section. On the Payments info page, click Manage Settings. Under the Tax section, select Manage Tax Info. From there, you'll be guided through the form step by step. Just answer each question carefully, one at a time. On your Google AdSense dashboard, YouTube requires all monetized creators to submit their tax information. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. First, you'll see the identity information page. Select Individual, since you're not signing up as a business. Most creators do the same. If you're not a US citizen, simply select No. Next, you'll be asked whether you're submitting a W-8BEN or W-8ECI form. Choose the first option, W-8BEN. Click Start W-8BEN form to move on to the next page. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter some basic information: your full name, the name of your channel, optional, and your country of residence. For the foreign TIN, taxpayer identification number, if you're in Canada, this will be your social insurance number. If you're in the UK, it will be your unique taxpayer reference, UTR. Here are examples of foreign tax identification numbers. TINs. Different countries use their own unique systems for tracking taxpayers. While the list below isn't comprehensive, here are some commonly recognized formats. India, Permanent Account Number, PAN. Indonesia, Nomor Pokok Wajib Pajak, NPWP. Japan, Individual Number, often referred to as My Number. Russia, Taxpayer Identification Number, INN. United Kingdom, Unique Taxpayer Reference, UTR, or National Insurance Number, NINO. To determine which TIN is appropriate for your situation, be sure to check with your country's tax authority or consult a qualified tax professional. Keep in mind that Google is not able to offer tax guidance, so it's best to seek advice from official or expert sources. Once you've filled that in, simply click Next. You won't need to worry about anything else on that page. Now, enter your address. If you're using a P.O. box, be sure to check the box that indicates this. If you have a standard residential address, just fill it in as usual. Then, confirm that your mailing address matches the one you entered above. Click Next to proceed. On this page, YouTube will ask about tax treaty information. To reduce or eliminate withholding taxes, select Yes to claim a tax treaty. Then, choose the country you're claiming the treaty under, usually your country of residence. In the Special Rates and Conditions section, check the box for Other Copyright Royalties. To stay fully covered, go ahead and select all the available options under this category. Then, scroll down and tick the confirmation checkbox to verify your selections. No need to stress over the legal paragraph references. They're standard and don't require any edits. They'll ask whether you conduct any business in the United States. Since you're based in another country, select No. Confirm that you don't conduct business within the US to complete this section. In the tax reporting section, select Go Paperless, then check the box that says I accept the paperless delivery agreement. After that, click Next to continue. You'll now see 4 forms listed. You can review each one in PDF format if you'd like. Otherwise, simply click the Confirm button, then hit Next to continue. Check the box and enter the relevant year. Then, confirm that your name is listed as the beneficial owner. On the next page, you'll see that your tax information has been successfully accepted, and the form status will show as approved. You'll also receive a confirmation email from Google AdSense to let you know your tax information has been approved. Once your earnings hit the $10 payment threshold in Google AdSense, Google will send you a notification asking you to confirm your mailing address. To complete the step, they'll mail a physical letter containing a unique 6-digit PIN code to the address you provided. When it arrives, enter the PIN in your account to verify your address and unlock the ability to receive payments. Your PIN mail typically arrives within 3 weeks. If it hasn't shown up by then, you're eligible to request a replacement PIN from Google AdSense. You'll have up to 4 months from when your PIN is issued to finish verifying your payment address. If it's not completed within that period, Google AdSense will pause ad delivery on your content until the verification is done. Once everything is set up, there's no need to worry. Your YouTube channel dashboard will continue showing your current status and any upcoming steps. At this point, No action is required since the payment threshold of $100 hasn't been reached yet. When your earnings hit the initial $100 mark, Google AdSense will send you a notification with instructions for verifying your account details. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your YouTube payment setup and received your first earnings. Well done! Moving forward, as long as you meet the payment threshold and there aren't any holds on your account, payouts are usually issued between the 21st and 26th of each month. For most small YouTube creators, hitting the required milestones, like 4,000 hours of public watch time in 12 months or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, can feel like both a challenge and an opportunity. Neither path is easy, but both are achievable with the right strategy. So how do you decide which path to take? Take a look at these examples.
Seeing a James Bond movie understands how action scenes provide cinematic spectacle. Some bang pow here, some boom boom there, and you've got yourself something cool to look at and listen to. But what might be less obvious are the ways in which action sequences also reveal.
At age 12, Bill's parents send him to a private school by the name of Lakeside. 1 year in, the school gains access to something special.
This is a Teletype Model 30.
One of the only computers in the world at the time. And this is where Bill finds his love for programming.
The plant.
Well, if it isn't Attila the Hun, fresh from the killing fields.
But if you killed very few people, he says this.
Well, if it isn't Mahatma Gandhi.
There's an odd silence in education when it comes to the truly big questions. Who should we get together with? How can you manage a relationship? What career are you suited to? What's money for? How can we manage anxiety? And what do we do with regret and shame? What do we do about illness and aging? How do we deal with our families? Here there is, very strangely, often no...
If you're great at building suspense, sparking curiosity, and connecting through thoughtful, long-form conversations, then traditional videos might be your strength. On the other hand, if you're quick-witted, visually creative, and can hook someone in just 2 seconds, or simply dread dealing with thumbnails, then shorts could be your best bet. Ultimately, pick the format that fits your natural content style and play to your strengths. Pro strategies to maximize earnings. Unlocking monetization is just the beginning. To grow income consistently, focus on these tactics. 1. Build a content gravity field. Develop binge-worthy, interconnected content. Encourage viewers to naturally watch multiple videos in a row. These creators master interconnected content that keeps viewers binging. These channels create ecosystems of content. Once you watch one, you're pulled into the next. 2. Optimize for CTR and watch time. Thumbnails plus titles equals your hook combo. Make the first 30 seconds of your video irresistible, ditch the filler. Insert CTAs early. Ask for likes, subs, and comments. These creators nail thumbnails, titles, and pacing. They know how to stop the scroll and keep you watching to the end. 3. Use data to guide iteration. Track key metrics in YouTube Studio. Click-through rate, CTR. Average watch duration. Viewer drop-off points. These creators actively refine based on analytics and viewer feedback. They treat YouTube like a lab, testing, tweaking, and scaling what works. Double down on what's working, refine your best-performing formats. 4. Build a real community. Reply to comments and pin the best ones. Post in the community tab to keep things active. Highlight viewer feedback in videos to build trust and loyalty. From creator to content entrepreneur, making money on YouTube isn't an overnight thing. It takes planning, consistency, and real connection with your viewers. But once you take that first step and keep going, every video you make could help grow a long-term income-generating brand. Wishing every creator who's watched my video great success ahead. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.